Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to easily turn off the friend request in Honor of Kings. If you are getting unwanted friend requests in Honor of Kings and want a quieter, more private gaming experience, then you can turn off the friend request in a simple way to avoid random invites. First of all, launch open Honor of Kings game on your device, and then from the main lobby screen of Honor of Kings, go to the top right corner and tap on the gear button. From the settings menu that appears on the screen, go to the left hand menu and click on Features and Privacy. Now inside Features and Privacy, you will see Do Not Accept Friend Requests button. Tap on the box right underneath it and make sure it is checked. Once you enable the Do Not Accept Friend Request option, you'll be able to turn off friend request right away. You will now stop receiving any new friend requests. But you can still add friends manually by searching for their player ID or username. Remember, turning off friend request won't remove your existing friends. That's it. That's how you successfully turn off the friend request feature in Honor of Kings. Now you can enjoy the game without interruptions. If you ever want to receive friend requests again, simply revisit the same page and switch off the button right underneath Do Not Accept Friend Request or untick it, and that should be it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.